Let me show you how to fix your Windows Bluetooth. Let's get started. First, search Bluetooth and other devices settings. If your Bluetooth isn't working, let's fix it. Search Troubleshoot Settings. Then select Additional Troubleshooters. Select Bluetooth. There are other options if this doesn't work. Search Services. Windows Bluetooth services must be restarted. Last option. Search Device Manager. Show hidden devices. My Bluetooth no longer works, so I can't find it. It would be better if all Bluetooth services were disabled if it wasn't working. Thanks for watching.